శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము 775th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 29th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, Ho Raja. Dharmaraju saying to Draupadi Devi like this, Ho Draupadi, this world is having so many people who have compassion and patience. Those who have patience and forgiveness, they will definitely iha sammanam ruchanti paratracha subham gatim. They will be respected here in this world and they will attain upper worlds. Those who are able to control their anger and maintain that patience, they will attain all great worlds. That is why tasmat kshanti paramata. Out of everything, kshanti, kshama, forgiveness, patience is such a greatest thing. Ho Draupadi, Kashyapa always used to sing the glory of the people who have great amount of kshama. Now you heard from me about what is the kshama, what is the greatness of kshama and compassion. So be satisfied with this and do not get mad at anyone. Give up all your anger. Not only that, Ho Draupadi, Pitamaha Santanavaha Samam Sampujayishyati. Krishnascha Devaki Putraha Samam Sampujayishyati. Bhishma Pitamaha, Devaki Putra Krishna, all of them respects Sahanam, Kshama. Dronacharya, Vidura, Krupacharya, Sanjaya, everybody respects, likes the patience. And Vyasa Maharshi always teaches about the patience. I feel that if all these people goes to Dhritarashtra Maharaju and teaches the glory of Kshama and the compassion, definitely Dhritarashtra Maharaju will give my kingdom back. If not, with all those bad qualities, he will get destroyed. Ho Draupadi, Kshama, Daya, conquering the senses, all this is called Sanatana Dharmam. That is why I would like to observe, practice these qualities as it is, and I want to maintain that patience and have that compassion. Like that, Dharmaraju saying to Draupadi Devi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.